3D blown molding refers to the extrusion of plastic raw materials, and pre-blown molding so that they adhere tightly to one side of the mold wall. The extrusion head or die then rotates the second or third axis according to the manufacturer's preset molding program. When the intestinal blank fills the membrane cavity, the other side of the mold closes and is tightly fastened to the blank section, separating it from the subsequent blank section. This is when the entire blank is blown and tightly attached to the walls of the membrane cavity for forming. Using this method to produce air ducts or oil pipes similar to those found on automobiles not only reduces burst and surface roughness, but also allows for continuous extrusion without the need to clamp the product, making 3D blown molding easier to process many more complex shape parts. 3D blown molding offers many advantages over conventional blown molding techniques, such as high-quality blown molding without welds, more uniform thickness distribution of the outer wall, weld seam robustness that is not degraded by raw material buildup or scratches, low flash loss, and low return on investment, reduced capital investment in small extruders, clamping units and grinders, and reduced mixing and cooling of raw materials can reduce operating costs. This technology is known as 3D blown molding, and in some countries, it is also known as multi-dimensional extrusion blown molding means. Compared to other molding technologies, the waste and burst generated during the 3D blown molding process are greatly reduced or even absent. So this technology is also known as low scrap or waste-free 3D blown molding. Would you like to know more about our company's products or services? Welcome to leave a message in the comment area. Welcome your attention, subscription, and consultation to get more industry information.